What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amanda Paris. If you are new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Today I want to talk to you guys about my Byte update. I know some of you have been commenting on my last video. Some people have been writing me on my Instagram, asking me how it's going and updates, this and that. And I know some of you have also ordered your impression kits. So definitely leave me a comment down below. I want to know how your treatment's going, how much you like it. If you have any questions, maybe I can answer them. If not, Byte customer service is fantastic. So they probably have better answers for you than I do, but if there's anything I can help you with, I will definitely give you my 2 cents. So I've completed all 14 of my trays. So my original treatment plan that I talked about in my last video was 14 trays. You wear 1 tray every week. Well, top and bottom, so technically you're wearing 2, right? But you wear every set of aligners for 1 week because you use this little guy. This is their Byte. You put it in your mouth for 5 minutes a day and it cuts the time in half. So this thing's awesome. It's also supposed to help with some of the pain as well, so it doesn't hurt as much. Now I had 7 top aligners and 14 bottom ones. So I needed to move my bottom teeth a little bit more because we were adjusting my bite because my bottom teeth kind of like curved up and it was giving me more of an underbite, so you couldn't really see my bottom teeth whenever I would smile or bite down. So we wanted to kind of fix that, and then also the goal was to widen my smile a little bit and kind of bring, I'm not an orthodontist or dentist, so I don't remember what all the specific names of your teeth back here are called, but they kind of pushed them out just to widen my smile so you can see more of my teeth whenever I smile. See? Now, I finished my 14 trays and Byte customer service reached out to me just to follow up, see how my plan was going, which I love. They've been so helpful throughout the whole process. Any questions I had, they responded right away, which I love, love, love that about them. They really want you to be happy with your smile and your results. So they really do go above and beyond, reaching out, following up, and just making sure you're happy with the process and if you're having any issues, things like that. So if you're like me and you finished your original set of aligners for your original treatment plan, maybe you're not quite happy with the results. You thought they were gonna be a little bit straighter or you were gonna get a little different result than you originally had thought. I personally was a little bit curious if we could make a little more tweaks to my smile. So the orthodontist took a look at my profile. They sent me out an impression kit. I do new impressions, sent those in, and they actually just sent me 2 more top trays. So I have now 8 and 9. I only had 7 top trays in my original treatment plan and 14 bottom aligners because my bottom teeth needed to move a little bit more. So I've been wearing my top aligner for the whole 14 weeks and then just swapping out my bottom one every week. Now, these are just specifically for my top aligners. So I have 1 more week in each one, and the orthodontist told me to only wear the bottom one now for 12 hours a day instead of 24. Cha-ching! This is just gonna help push these back teeth out a little bit more and widen my smile just a little bit more and just really perfect it so we can get closer to that Hollywood smile, right, that we all want. So, or maybe you don't, I don't know, but I feel like we all want that, right? So I got my 2 aligners. It doesn't cost anything additional. It's pretty common for you to need kind of a refinement at the end of your treatment plan. So Byte has great customer service. Like I've been saying, they follow up with you. They'll send you out a new impression kit if you feel like, you know, I'm not quite 100% satisfied with my results. They'll send out another impression kit, take your impressions, and then they'll go from there and send you, you know, another treatment plan, and maybe you just need a few more trays to get it right where you want. I have 2 more weeks and then I'm completely done and I get my final retainers made. All of that's included in the original cost that, you know, you guys have looked up if you've already looked into it or we've talked about in other videos. So pretty excited about this. So I'm going to start wearing these and of course use my Byte, so I'm gonna wear them for a week. Otherwise it would be 2 weeks. And yeah, I'm excited to see my final result, but so far I've been really happy with it. Byte's been so amazing to work with, and honestly, they're so nice and have just gone above and beyond. Really, I can't speak highly enough for them. So I love it. It's super easy, a very simple process. I know, like I said in my first video, I thought, how can clear aligners work if you're not actually going in to see an orthodontist and this and that, which every case is different. So if you have a more difficult case, maybe this isn't gonna be right for you, but they'll tell you that in the beginning. So that's the other thing I love about it. If you get your impression kit and you're not a good candidate, you get your money back. So I do have a code for you guys for your impression kit. If you want to find out if you're a good candidate, you get your impression kit shipped to your door. It's only 25 bucks instead of 95 bucks. And with my code, you also get $100 off your aligner. So if you do get your treatment plan back and you decide, you know what, I really can't afford this, or I don't want to do it, no problem. You're not forced to like buy it or anything like that. So if you just want to get the impression kit and go from there, definitely feel free. So I love being able to help you guys out and working with great brands that I enjoy myself and I'm actually using. I have my aligners in now. If you couldn't tell, that's great. But I really like them. And also, I know I always talk about this and I post about it on my social media. I love the Byte. I get asked all the time, what do you use to whiten your teeth? This is it. And I do know they're coming out with, I don't know if they've launched it yet. They are gonna be allowing people on the website to just order retainers, because maybe some people don't need to align their teeth and they're just wanting to whiten them. So I know they're gonna have this available to purchase, and then I think they're gonna start doing the LED light. But super happy with my results. I'll drop some pictures in here so you guys can see a side by side of my process, and then I'll make sure to do another follow-up video when I am completely done with the process. Yeah, just keep you guys updated. So if you thought this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Even if you didn't, give it a thumbs up. Help a girl out. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on my notifications so you don't miss anything. And I guess that concludes today's video. So I'm actually gonna go swap out my trays so I can start knocking out these last 2 weeks, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. So here is my before picture before I started treatment. And if you notice, I have some shadowing underneath my front top teeth. That is because I had an overbite. And then here in my after picture, you can see how that no longer exists because my teeth are now closer together. They have pushed my front teeth back to close that gap and then lowered my front bottom teeth as well a little bit. So now we're just tweaking the top back teeth a little bit more to perfect my smile. But I get a lot of people that have asked me, does it really work? Does Byte really work? As you can see, my teeth have moved. That's not Photoshop, that's what they really look like. And it's really exciting because I've been wanting to see my side-by-side comparison to see where I was obviously when I started and where I'm at now, just for myself, because when you see yourself every day, as you guys know, it's kind of hard to tell. Like, I mean, my teeth are moving, I feel them moving, I can feel that my bite's changed, but seeing the side by side, I'm honestly like, wow, that's really freaking cool. It worked.